going to speak about how to make a snack food. So, what snack do you eat what snack do you eat during the break time or at night or late at night? So you will have many choices. But for me, I know what I think of is stir fried corn. It's a healthy and tasty food. It's easy to make, simple to cook it. There are 3 steps to make a stir fried corn. As for the first, I will show you what ingredients we need to shop at a local store, and second, I will show you how to repair all ingredients, and the third one, I will show you how to make a stir fried corn. I have made it for many years for my nibling when they are hungry, and I have made it for myself during when I stay up late at night. I have watched several YouTube video about what the recipe for it, and I'm gonna show you the demonstrate how to make the stir right now, how to cook it quick and easy for a healthy and tasty stir fried corn. So now let's get started with the first step of first step is what ingredients to shop at a local grocery store. So you can pick up any brand of your favorite in a grocery store when you shop at the all ingredients. So I need a corn of a can of corn, or you can buy a bag of corn at your choice. So I need a box of peanut butter. It's cost about $3. Those cost about $1.39. This is a crispy Chinese shrimp snack, or you can buy dry shrimp. It costs you about $10 for this one. You can choose either one at your choice. And I need you buy soy sauce. A bottle of soy sauce is $5 for now. Salt and sugar is cost you about $1 for each, and a ring onion. I need 3 stacks of the ring onion. Now we have all ingredients by a store, and now I will show you the second step of the second step is how to repair them. So it will how to repair them. It will expedite for a quick cook. First, I will show. First, I need you chop down the onion like this at a chunk, and then I need you put a bunch of shrimp salt in the water for a couple minutes. I need a 1 teaspoon. A half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and 2 scoop teaspoon of soy sauce. And lastly, I need you take out a stick of burger to cut it into 2 slices like this, because they have the measurement right here. We need 2 tablespoons of butter. Now we have all ingredients ready. Now we are gonna discuss with you how to cook the stir fry. Let's do it. I know you're hungry. Let me try to make a quick cook. So first of all, can you help me to put this? Yeah.
Yes.
Fried. One slice of butter, melt it out. And the corn, I need that. I need to open it and drain all the water out. When I rub the water out on the strainer. I need just one. I need just one bit butter, a slice of butter right now. And then it's melt out until it's hot, and then we put all of this on. This is the stir fry, the corn, and onion, and the fried shrimp that I will soak in water. Okay, can you put for me a sugar? Yeah, all of them at the same time. Yeah, and this is a teaspoon of salt and 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, and mix it well.
Yummy too.
It's yummy, right? I know. So just mix it well, and you will have a delicious of the stir fried corn. So now you know that how to make a stir fried corn. You know all ingredients ready for them, and now I have demonstrated how to cook it, and you can go over it. What I have learned today, I have learned that it's very simple and easy to make them delicious for stir fried corn. First, shop all ingredients at a local store. Second, next, prepare, and finally, to stir them together to enjoy. I remember stir fried corn at a quick and tasty snack for any ordinary time. I hope you are ready to give it a try and make it for your own style according to your preference and allergy. Thank you for watching and enjoy the food.